In the ever-growing race for value-packed smartphones, Vivo continues to impress by delivering a perfect blend of premium design, reliable performance, and smart features, all without pushing the price too high. And now, Vivo has once again raised the bar with the introduction of its latest mid-range marvel, the Vivo Y400 Pro. A smartphone that offers a high-end experience in an affordable body, the Y400 Pro is here to redefine what mid-range phones are truly capable of in 2025. At first glance, the Vivo Y400 Pro captures attention with its slim, stylish, and premium-looking design. With curved edges, a refined finish, and minimal bezels, the phone feels more flagship than mid-range. It's built for those who want a sleek, modern device that not only performs well, but also looks and feels like a top-tier gadget. Whether you're holding it for gaming, photography, or social media, the Y400 Pro exudes confidence and elegance. Moving to performance, the Y400 Pro runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 chipset, a highly efficient and capable SoC built on a 6nm process. Whether you're streaming, switching between apps, or engaging in gaming sessions, the Dimensity 7050 ensures smooth, responsive, and lag-free usage. It handles multitasking with ease and offers power efficiency, helping your battery last longer throughout the day. Speaking of visuals, the Y400 Pro features a 6.67-inch FHD Plus AMOLED display, offering vibrant colors, deep blacks, and excellent contrast. The 120Hz refresh rate takes that experience up a notch, making scrolling feel incredibly smooth and gameplay more immersive. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite series or navigating social media, this display doesn't just keep up, it stands out. Photography is another area where Vivo never compromises, and the Y400 Pro is no exception. It comes equipped with a 64MP primary sensor with optical image stabilization, OIS. This means you get sharp, steady, and detailed photos even in tricky lighting conditions. From daytime cityscapes to night portraits, the main camera is more than capable. Complementing it is an 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens for capturing landscapes or group shots, and a 2MP macro sensor for close-up photography. On the front, a 16MP selfie camera ensures your portraits look crisp, natural, and social media ready. With AI enhancement and face beauty features, your selfies are always on point. Battery life is one of the most crucial aspects of a smartphone, and Vivo understands this well. The Y400 Pro is powered by a 5000 mAh battery, more than enough to get you through a full day of heavy usage, whether you're gaming, streaming, or video calling. And when it's time to charge, the 44W fast charging ensures you're back up and running in no time. It strikes the perfect balance between performance and convenience. On the software front, the Y400 Pro runs Funtouch OS 14, based on the latest Android 14. It delivers a clean, intuitive experience with added customizations, improved animations, and AI-powered features. You get smart background app management, enhanced privacy tools, and efficient memory handling, all designed to make your day-to-day usage smoother and smarter. Overall, the Vivo Y400 Pro is not just another mid-range phone, it's a smartly crafted all-rounder. With flagship-level display, capable camera setup, reliable chipset, and a sleek premium design, it offers tremendous value for its price. It's built for students, content creators, casual gamers, and everyday users who want everything in one device, without having to spend a fortune. If you're in the market for a stylish phone that performs beyond expectations, the Vivo Y400 Pro might just be your perfect match. Beauty, brains, and battery, all in one device.